How to remove a Google account from your Android phone. This is useful if you're changing accounts, selling your phone, or simply want to sign out of a Google account on the device. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap Accounts, Passwords and Accounts, or Users and Accounts, depending on your phone's software version. Tap on Google. Now, select the Google account that you want to remove. I'm not going to remove the account in this demonstration, but if you'd like to do it on your own device, simply follow these steps. Tap Remove Account, then confirm your choice by tapping Remove Account again. If prompted, verify your identity using your PIN, password, or fingerprint. After a few moments, the selected Google account will be removed from your device. Remember, this only removes the account from the phone. It doesn't permanently delete your Google account, and you can always add it back later if needed. And that's it. That's how you can remove a Google account from an Android phone quickly and safely. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.